How we doing, guys? It's a nice Sunday morning. We're gonna be going over to the local golf course ponds, and we're targeting specifically largemouth, and hopefully we got a decent amount of bites. Stay tuned. It's gonna be awesome, and there's gonna be a lot of quality bites. I just went over to the local Dunkin', picked up some stuff, and we might go over to Walmart, but we'll probably go to the golf course ponds for now. And yeah, we'll see you guys there.
One thing I just wanted to mention was that you know, I've been to the golf course several times, had luck there several times, also have come up empty-handed several times. The point is, we're going there early in the morning before they open. When they do open, there's going to be packed with golfers, so we're trying to hit it at the right time, if you know what we're saying. Point is, we're going to hit it, and we're going to hit it hard, so let's see what we get. You know what I'm saying, Ryan?
And this is my first time going to this spot, so I'm going to see what it's all about. Mike, as he previously said before, he's caught a lot of fish there, bass. I think there might be some bluegill in there, right?
Oh yeah.
Probably. But
yeah,
we're gonna see what's going on in that spot. See what's going on there.
Peace, guys. All right, PC, I was thinking, what do you say we get a little competition going early Sunday morning? How's that sound?
Okay, little competition.
You know how we've been trying to outfish each other left and right, so
every day.
Okay, go right here. You go, yeah, go right, and then yeah. So back to the competition.
Almost nailed that stop sign.
A bluegill is 1 point, bass is 2 points.
Okay.
And we'll go from there. Sounds good.
That's a. What about a pickerel?
Okay, that's gonna be 3 points.
Okay.
They're nasty buggers.
All right.
Sounds good.
That sounds fair enough.
All right, so we've just arrived. Let's grab our gear and hit the ponds.
So I'm rigging on this, actually. Where'd mine go? Here.
All right, this is mine.
Mike's got his little setup going on. I'm gonna bring a little inline spinner and a bait caster, and let's see what we got.
Should be good to go. Hold on, PC.
Move.
Hold on 1 sec. PC's new mod he just got for his whip. There you go.
How does that sound?
Golden.
Bringing your coffee?
Yeah, let's hit the ponds now.
You're bringing your phone. I'm leaving my phone in here. Right?
No worries.
Mike, you want that rooster? What?
No, it's all good.
Whoa, why are you looking at me like I did something wrong?
This is gonna be a blooper. No, PC. Retake. Let's get it. All right, so we're walking to the ponds right now. I have a feeling PC's really gonna love this spot. His first reaction's gonna be like, wow, this is a really nice place.
I've been to multiple golf course ponds throughout my life, but this is my first time going to this one, so let's see what happens.
Look at that sunrise. Beautiful. Beautiful Sunday morning. It's like 6 or 7 a.m.
48 degrees.
Almost at the ponds. Yeah, it's like 40 something, 50 something degrees. Pretty chilly out, not gonna lie. But we're almost at the ponds though, so that's a good thing. You know, that's right. Out here on this vast and open golf course. First thing in the morning. You know, the thing is, we're out in the open right now, but once we get, like I said, in the cut, Ryan liked how I said that. Once we're in the, like the you know, the corner by the, oh, how do I put it? Once we're in the area of the ponds, it'll be more like, you know, wrapped around within trees and stuff, and it'll block some of the wind and the openness, so we won't be as cold. Hopefully, that's the idea. Anyways, to our left, Ryan.
If we were in the afternoon, we would be royally screwed because we would be getting hit by golf balls.
All right, but Ryan, you see that little house?
I know.
To the left.
I saw it on the map.
Okay, so you're gonna see the pond to the left, but we have to, the best spot to fish, there's like this really long bank. I'll show you. I know you're gonna wanna take a cast from the first thing you see, but trust me, you gotta wait till we get to the spot. It's sick.
Hold on. Watch. Move. Go look first.
Come. A waterfall. Got him.
That one?
Yeah. Oh, it's a bluegill. PC, I got 1 point. Yeah.
Is it a big one?
Nah, not really. Oops.
All right, guys. Mike.
Yeah.
Is it going?
Hell yeah.
Mike got a bluegill earlier.
1 point.
I'm beating him by 1 point. Just got this nice little largemouth.
So you got
this
2
little
points.
Creek over here. There's a nice 2-pounder I saw. Yo, cast. There's a big bass.
Oh, I just had a nice bite.
I think I was the only one in here, actually. Neither was one in here. Nothing?
Hold on, I gotta recast. I just had a nice bite.
Where's the golf ball at? Got one?
All right, right now we're heading to the next pond. So far we only caught one fish each. Hopefully we get some more. Almost at the next pond right now. You got him?
Dude, I don't know what this is.
Bring him in, bring him in.
I don't know what this is.
Holy shit! That's a fatty, bro! Yeah, buddy! PC! Told you there were nice bass in here!
Holy shit!
Dude!
That's a fucking monster!
4 pounds easy!
This is a 5.5. I'm getting this mounted. Alright guys, I just hooked up this nice largemouth.
Holy
swim
shit!
jig. It's about a 5.5 pounder.
Let me see. Look at the size of this thing.
Look at that size. Here, go along. Get this one. Look at that. Look at the size of this one. You got it?
Oh yeah.
Gracious.
How much do you think that weighs, bro?
5.5 easy.
Look at the mouth on
5.5
that.
easy. Get it. Look at that. I can fit my fucking. Look at that.
Look.
Oh my god.
Nice catch, brother.
This is the lure I caught it off.
Little swim jig, he
back
caught
it
it
up.
off.
Look at that. Oh goodness gracious.
Nice. Don't move.
Fast. No, I thought that was a trout, man. My phone's in the car. Fuck. Can you get a picture on your? Can I take a picture of this? Look, I need it in the sun like that.
Yep. His last cast.
Don't worry, I'll catch more. You know where there's gonna be one? See it? Right over there. Look at that spot. Holy shit! I gotta put him back. Here, get a good pro video of me putting it back. Ready?
Hell yeah.
But here, just get a video. Just keep it going. Ready? Nice specimen. We'll put him in back. Put him in back where he came from. Ready, guys? Oh shit! Oh, I just like it. Ready? There he goes.
Nice one. New England Anglers at its finest, at her finest.
That was 5.5. Try your spinner bait. Dude, I thought that was a trout, bro.
I know.
That was 5.5, dude.
Oh yeah.
That's the only one?
PC just caught another one. So right now you're at 4 points. I'm at 1 point.
Oh, that's a small one.
Nice, dude.
I want to catch another fatty.
And another one.
Did I release him here?
No. Oh, I got him.
Got one?
Oh, he got off.
What was it?
A big bass. Got him. Oh, it's all right. No, I got it. Nice little 3/4 pounder, maybe a pounder. Ryan just caught another one. I'm going to check it out. What'd you get? What? Hold on, let me get a picture.
It's gonna move.
Ryan got another one.
Watch
little
this.
guy.
See that bird over there?
Yeah, we're gonna have to tally our score for the competition later.
It's gonna.
All right, go.
It's gonna eat it. Ready?
What?
Oh my God!
Yo, we got that.
Did you get that?
Yeah, and I just hooked you.
Oh my goodness gracious! Don't leave a hole in my pants.
I'm not chill. It barely even hooked you, dude. You're good.
Did you leave a hole?
No, there's nothing, dude.
Did you see that? Did you get it?
Oh yeah.
He took the.
He took the whole bass. That thing weighed like a pound. He flew off with it, dude.
He's right there. He's eating it. Look.
That's crazy. Just caught another one. A little guy, but still. Another one. Like I said, we're gonna have to tally our scores at the end of this and go from there. I think Ryan's still winning though. Sorry, buddy. See you later. Oh, I just had a nice one on. Morning.
Morning.
Good, yourself?
Good.
Yeah, man. My boy over there caught a 5-pounder.
It's a monster.
Dude, you're not kidding. But yeah, we're doing all right.
I liked it better when the lily pads were here, but
Right. Then you could do some topwater fishing.
Yeah, I use braided line, fucking
Oh yeah, I got
frog on the top, and I just fucking rip them across.
Oh yeah, most definitely. Yeah, you know, I've been coming here for like 2 years now. Like, I usually come in the morning before the golfers come, you know? But...
They usually don't give a shit.
Yeah, right.
I got duck out of the way when they're coming.
Exactly, yeah.
Oh, you catch anything?
Yeah,
There's fish in here?
I know.
Whoa!
Exactly. But,
Yeah, there's some hogs in here.
Yeah, what's the biggest you've seen, probably?
I've caught a couple over 6 pounds out of here.
Wow, alright.
The other pond over there, caught a couple monsters out of there, too.
Yeah, the other pond's good. This pond, I think, might have bigger fish. I don't know. But I can't. Yeah.
They're hard to get now because there's no lily pads.
Right, yeah.
You can't really, like, it's hard to get over there and shit.
Yeah, no, yeah, my buddy went around. I don't know where he went.
There used to be a couple spots where you can, you know, reach through and fucking, now it's hard.
Oh, yeah.
That's where nice.
Oh, yeah.
We do this stupid golf tournament with it.
What? No way.
Where is he?
I can't see you.
Yeah, there's days where like they're hitting anything you throw in there when there's days.
Right. Exactly. Don't mind me. I want to go check this out.
Oh, it's all good.
Yo, you have a good one, all right?
You too.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, they do this tournament where like we put like this boat out in the middle and you're like.
All right, so now we're heading back to the first pond we were at, and we're gonna take it from there after all the luck we just had. That way.
What? I can't walk because I got golf balls.
He's got golf balls in his pockets. All right, so we didn't have too much luck heading back over to the first pond we tried, which is right here, right there. So anyways, Ryan's down fishing this pond further down in that direction. I'm gonna catch up with him right now, but in any case, I think we're gonna start heading out and back to the car. So yeah, what? I think he's got one. We're gonna see in a second. Yeah, he's got one. He's definitely beat me today. We're gonna tally it up though soon. Let's go check out his fish. Nice, dude, nice. All right, guys.
Let's see, this is my 14th one of today.
Yeah, all right, buddy.
Yeah, I caught 4 other at the other bank. Another nice specimen.
And we're gonna tally it up. I don't know how many you caught. It might have been 14, but we're gonna see, right?
Oh yeah, I'm pretty sure it was around that though. Really? 12. Who even cares about a stupid competition? I just want to catch a nice lunker.
Well, you wanna give the viewers what we promised, you feel me? Nice fish,
Viewers
though.
don't care about a competition, do you guys? You just want to see big bass. You guys just want to see big bass.
I'll tell you what, he's my fishing partner, but this kid can be difficult.
Oh, ready? Move, you're in the way.
My fault, my fault. Get it, bro.
You gotta go longer. How's it? You're not gonna get far.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, this is it. I'm done.
All right, everybody, this concludes our video. Hope you guys enjoyed our morning fishing adventure to the golf course. Just put it that way. Anyways, I tallied up the score. Our final fishing score was Ryan had 10 points. I had 5 points. So Ryan wins. You win, Ryan.
Do I?
Oh, yeah.
Wow, what do I got? Trophy?
But anyways, guys, like I said, that concludes our video. Ryan, you got anything to say about this location?
Yeah, so it was my first time over here. Quality bass. Caught it nice. I think it was about a 5-pounder. What do you think?
Yeah, 4.5, 5 all day.
The competition, I mean, I wasn't really into it, but I guess you could say I won.
He got 10 points, I got 5.
Yeah, but don't worry, we're gonna do a second video here soon, real soon.
So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, good man. And until next time, hope you guys, like I said, enjoyed this. Until next time, stay tuned. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Drop a comment if you enjoyed it and let us know your feedback and all that good stuff. But in any case, have a nice one. And if you haven't already subscribed, Ryan, what do they got to do?
All you got to do is go
smash that, blow up that subscribe button, smash that subscribe button, and we'll catch up with you guys real soon. Peace.
Have a nice one.
And he's out.